Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to slow down and or speed up your video on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go up on the CapCut application. You can start a new project or you can also use previous project. Today I would like to use my previous object here. So I have this 3 seconds clip on my project. I want to slow down this video. So how to slow down this video? You just need to go back in the first on the start point of the clip, and after that just need to click the clip, and after the clip is in active mode, it will be like shown with a blue frame on the video. You just need to take a look on this button features. You can see here there is a speed up tools. You just need to click the speed up tools, and after that click normal if you want to have like constant speed on your video. So this curve is also for speeding up and slowing down, but then this is adjustable. So let's do it the normal. Since we want to slow down this video, you just need to drag this point into the left side until the speed that you want. Okay, for example, let's do it 0.3, and after that you have to have a test for the clip first, and you can see, is it the speed that you want? If you haven't find it's correct, you can adjust it again, make it like 2.7 probably, and after that have a test again. Okay, and when you're satisfied, you just need to go click done. That's how the way you slow down the video. But how to speed up, it's just the same with we use the same tools. Go in a speed and then choose the normal. If you want to speed it up, you can just go drag this point into the right side. For example, we want to do it a twice, 2 times faster, and after that have it checked, and after you're satisfied, just go click done. That's the way how we slow down and speed up the video on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.